when we finna go live. So we because I gotta get some stuff on the record. Hold on one second. Okay, hold on one second. Let me run right in. I'm coming right back out. Hello. Okay. What does impact? Okay. Right. Okay. Wow. Right. Right. Yeah, that's what my sister. What? Right. 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 Mm. Right. Right. Mm. 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 Mhm. Right. Mm. Right. 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 Thank you. Mhm. Right. Mhm. Okay. Mm. Mm. Right. Mhm. Mm. Right. Right. Yes. Right. Mhm. Mm. 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 Right. 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 Just learn new things. Right. 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 Mm. Mhm. Wow. Wow. Right. Right? Right. 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 Mhm. Right. 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 Hmm. No, if your soapbox include us, then we want you to stay on your soapbox because that's natural law at work. And because I believe in following the leader that, people that are naturally leaders and they don't have to like force it or pretend or put on a facade. They just are leaders. They don't even be wanting to do it. I know I'm like you. I don't want no nobody following me. Uh, right, right. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Hmm. Mm. It was an exchange. Absolutely. Right. 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 You got skills. Uh-huh. Right. How much we talking about? Right. 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 Mhm. Right. 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 Mm. Right. 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 Absolutely. Right. Mm. Right, right. Hmm. You gonna be responsible for them. Mhm. Mhm. Yeah. Right, right. Right, right. Uh-oh. I made a boo-boo. I was trying to say share this picture that come through. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna down. Uh, right. I'm done with you. Hang tight. Huh? You ain't missed nothing. I'm over here trying to get I'm trying to get that picture you sent me with the picture you sent me with the road with the bridge. I I had a I if you sent me a picture, hold on. You sent me a picture with a bridge on it. Oh, is that a train track? Wow. Ah. Stop. Hold on one sec. I'm trying to get back to the pictures right now. Oh yeah, I saw that one. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Wow. Nope. I'm posting now. Uh-huh. Right. This thing not pulling that other picture through. I'm gonna have to yeah, I'm gonna have to do some alteration. There we go. I bet you I got it now. Bet you I got it now. Oh yeah. I don't like to let nothing stop me from doing what I'm trying to do. I'll work a workaround on that ass quick, you understand? There you go. I already posted that one. Oh yeah, definitely. Hold on. Yep. I posted it in the group. Because I think we live in the group. I'm not sure. I tapped the button, but I don't see. It's not like Facebook. I mean, not like YouTube. Then. it tell you that you live. But I call myself broadcasting in the group. So we to get, double up, make it happen. You understand? Ain't no sense um in wasting opportunity in any regard to broadcast wherever we can. If people are broadcasting trash and shenanigans all over the place, well, we need to catch up. We on the catch up end. So we ain't doing nothing wrong. We got to catch up. We gotta get another channel going for just the men. Some G talk just for the men. I'm gonna have to dip out of that one and get a bit. Y'all. I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like you were saying, your idea was very fitting. For this day and age because a lot of the men lack menship. Right, right. Right. Yes. That is so sad. Uh-huh. Hmm. Wow. Heck yeah. I knew I said something in your voice. Your vibration of your voice is God like. Man. And and not just to just, hype no one particular person up, but people gotta understand God. It can I'm just saying it's that's not the particular purpose. I do want to hype one person up because you got a freak if you got more than one head. You got a freak is what you got. You don't need but one head to a body. And if you got more than one head, you got a freak on your hands. Okay. But what I'm saying is you if you only got one head, you need to be selective enough for that one to have substantiated enough wisdom, enough knowledge, enough understanding, and all that put together to be able to lead. Then you ain't got a problem following it. It's not that you're gonna expect that person ain't gonna make mistakes. It's just that you understand that even when he make mistakes, he gonna handle it right. Right, 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 right. That's easy. That's really Mhm. Right. It and it's so natural for you, just like every time we talk, I'll be so tempted to go live. I'll be like, "This Negro," pardon my French, but this be dropping jewels back to back. We need to be online with it. Not to just market everything, but the fact that people need that. That's why we putting it out. It's we secure our money. What we is doing with the money is put enough knowledge and wisdom out there to help other people make, be wealthy minded people as well. Share the wealth. And then it come back to you, you know. And a lot of people, ask me, Candy, how you come up with all this stuff and how you know, and I'm like you, it comes so natural. You just like, I'm just thinking that, it's a problem in this area. So I just thought to do something about it. Just talking about it, you thought to do something about it. You didn't want me to share that with the group just yet, but I just put a little intro to it about Pride Entertainment. That is such an awesome, um, that's a whole movement. It's a, right, huh, right. Uh-huh. Mm, 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 mhm, mm. Right. I remember when I was a little kid, my papa raised me, so I used to sit down and watch whatever he watched, and he used to watch westerns, and he used to flip it when he get through with the westerns, he'll flip it over to the Discovery Channel. You remember the Discovery Channel? And and I was listening to you talk about the pride of the lion and everything, and you ain't even know. Yesterday on my birthday, I was hanging out with my homeboy. That's my pride. You know what I'm saying? And they protect me. And I was telling you how people think that's my man or whatever, is because they so protective of me. But I was hanging out with them, and one of them, Blake, he handed me his laptop, and I seen a line on there. I said, "Ooh, I love that line. Send me that a picture of that line." It was a picture that moved, and it was sort of like a translucent picture of a line. I'm on. I got to get that picture for you to see it. But for you to send me a whole program concerning, I mean, that's just not a coincidence. I just, I just. I didn't know nothing about it because we talk all the time, and you just now, had told me about it afterwards. So that's just not coincidental. I just think that's just good energy. It was like when I seen that line, it was preparing me for when presented that idea. And so when I seen it was like, oh man, if this ain't like deja vu, so if this ain't like that, if this ain't like right, that you in sync. Yeah. That's how you know you in sync with time. You're not out of alignment, you know. And that's your sign, you right on time. A lot of times when we finally find out information, like, man, I wish I been knew about this. But you found out about it in the right time. Right, 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 right. Well, that's what a real man is. And that's what women need to see. They need to hear. They need to hear because we can see with our like senses. Women, we can. I can't speak for a man because I'm not a man. But I do know that women, we understand what our senses. We can hear in your voice if you're sincere. We can hear in your voice that we need to honor you. We can hear in our voice that we need to respect you or that you saying something respectable. Like even when earlier when you got on me about um voyaging off into the negativity of my past, you put your stop sign up and blew your whistle. And you did it so gentle like that I wouldn't be mad. I could have been if I was ignorant, but I would but I'm not ignorant, and so I recognized it as it was. It was a gentle detour sign, and and it was harsh enough to let me know, hey, don't go down there, don't go down there. It's dangerous down there, and I can't go down there with you. Yeah. Right. Right. Hmm. Hmm. Mhm. Mhm. Right. Hmm. Mm. Can you expound on that a little bit? Mhm. Right. Mm. Right. Mhm. Mm. Yes. Lots of sense. I understood it, but for the babies that's listening, or the I shouldn't call them babies because they grown folks. Shouldn't be no babies in here. But for the people who are learning to grow in maturity, sometimes people say stuff and we're in adult atmosphere and we really don't understand. Be embarrassed to speak up and say, I ain't really understand what he meant by that. It sounded cool, it sounded deep. But, right, right. Hmm. Mm. Right. Right. The majority of the time. Right. Right. Okay. And no other day. Right. Oh yeah. Oh my. I mean, this is the dumbest culture breeding system I ever seen in my life. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Wow. I'm done. You say for the rest of his life he branded as an asshole. Because it's hard to walk that back. Like when you do something that ridiculous, it's hard to walk that back. That's a branding for lifetime. You brand your asshole for life. Like we could never envision Trump as being the best president. You can't walk that back. You done already got on Twitter and made a fool of yourself. I, I can I can tell you one thing about it. I can tell you one thing. I really think he's a good father. I did. I really did. No, 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 not that aspect. I didn't go that far. I didn't say that. I'm not saying. Well, I said a good father, not a good husband. That has to do with her. What? Okay. What I'm saying is that you can tell that he has some type of good relationship with his daughter and with his son. And yeah, trust me, I didn't say it was dumbasses. I mean, I don't speak about people children's, but I didn't. Oh, really? Wow. I tried to give a man something. I tried. Tried. I tried. I tried. That's not my fault now. I tried. Thank you. I tried. He a rotten apple. If it was, bless his heart. He can't. I can't do nothing for him. I can't. I tried my best to squeeze something out. I tried. I tried to squeeze some more juice out of him, fucking around and got it. Look what you can't make no lemon juice out of that lemon. That is rotten fruit and everything. You can't do that. Wow. Wow. And he broke his hell. He broke his hell. That people think he man, if he was broke, he wouldn't have had to do that. I said if he had to do that though, he wouldn't have had to do nothing. He wouldn't have had to do nothing crooked if he had money. You only prove my point. Only broke ass motherfuckers only broke car. Only broke motherfuckers gotta pull a con. Ain't nobody that's already wealthy. Okay, just like our organization that we building right now, right? I'm building this because I got money. I don't need nobody to give me a motherfucker. You don't see me over here. Please donate to my channel. Uh, please subscribe. Uh, please do this and please. I don't have to do nothing of that because I got money. I'm trying to give you some. You know. So if in any case, anything I build, it's not gonna be to take nothing from nobody because I don't need nothing. Matter of fact, the only thing I need is to pay out uh charitable benefits so I can avoid having to pay them nasty tax. Yeah, I'm in need to have to give some money away. Not in the need to get nobody for nothing. See, that's the difference between people got it twisted. Just because the people get on TV and say this person wealthy, y'all believe them. You can't, you can't, right. Uh-huh. Wow. Right. General knowledge. Uh-huh. Right.